Hey guys, today I want to show you how I photograph the shining product on white background, how to work with the reflection, but more easy way, I think. I don't know yet, but with this light cone from company Car Taylor. This episode is not sponsoring for Car Taylor. I bought this light cone myself. I have like sometimes clients where I must work with photography on white background, but the shiny product, or I photography shiny product like cosmetics, bottles or something like that. And I looking for a resolution, what I can take a good photo, but don't spend so much time for set up everything and work with reflection. And I bought this light. Like you see, the light cone is so huge. You can buy three different size. It's small, medium, and large. But when I want to buy now, was only one option to buy the large, and I buy large first because I think if I have bigger product for photography, it's better have large. Because I don't photography, the small is the best, like for jewelry or something like that. I don't photography jewelry. Normally, I photography bottles, cosmetic, candles, more things. What the product is bigger, and I need like something big. And I want to say if I buy big, it's better for me to work with this than the small. That was my choice to buy the big, the light cone. Another things what I can say is like not cheap because I pay something 50 something pounds. But believe me, you think 50 something pounds is expensive, but you buy one time and you use long time if it's work. We'll check later its work is good or not. But you spend one time's money, that's it, and you have long product. Was little problem with delivery because should be delivered next day, and I wait for delivery 1 week almost. I was not happy because I want to shoot something before, but that's I have now the corner and I can photography. Another things what I can say is easy to set up because it's very good packing. When I ordered this, was very good packing in the box, amazing packing, safe and protect. Like you see, the corner looks that. What you do, you use only these things here for set up the corner. It's on that. Only here is really easy, and the material what is done is very good. I cannot complain. It's strong, and what I see is good spent money. It's not something cheap, but now it's time to show how to work with this and this really work or not. Let's go. First things what I want to say, I set up my one lights and second lights from both. Use the vinyl background, white background. Is very good company club backdrop. Really recommend this type of the background if you photography food, product, people. Really vinyl background is easy to set up work and everything. Another things what I will be use is the camera, but I use tether cable because straight away I will see the result on the screen, how looks the photo when I photography only with the lights and photography with the cone. And that's I straight away show you the different. I will be photography this is the box with the something China tea, little shining, but normal when I will be work with shining product, I use the diffuser, of course, the light because I don't want strong shadow. Like you see, I have diffuser, umbrella. You can use the softbox. And second things, if I have reflection here or something part is dark or it's like not good, I want to do reflection, I will be use the whiteboard or white card and put around and try work with this the best, manage the light and shoot. I will be spend more time for do this then normal. Now what I think I will see how is. First I take the shoot this box. This part on the photo here is like dark part. Of course you can manage put the lights here, but you straight away you must to manage this lamp different position. The lights may be far because will be when I show you, when I put here you block straight away this part lights. If you put, of course, the you manipulation with the lights, you put the lights different position and that. But now we take the lights cone and we check how work with the lights cone. I set up my lights cone, my camera, and I will be take shoot. We'll see how looks everything. It's not marked. This disappearance is no reflection, nothing. Everything is a nice look. That's on this corner really work. Like you see on the photo, I am satisfaction with this corner. Of course, you can manipulation that position, different position, camera down, up, different. You can shoot flat lay is the best. Put the lamp around, lights around, and shoot flat lay if you have that product for flat lay photography. But this, I want to do photo from this position. That's I put this corner on that position where I have camera here, and it's easy for me to shoot this product here. But now we'll be photographing something different product and see how it looks. This is all shining product, like you see, and I want to show you how to work with the shining this product here with the corner. I take the shoot. Like you see everything here, the bottom part on the photo, and this is something you have reflection, and here you have a lot of reflection. Of course, we will be work with lights, put different position and shoot. But I again use this corner and check how looks this time when I shoot this product, how looks the product when I photograph it. See on the photo, when I use this corner, when I see this is not reflection, nothing reflection, but still we have bottom little reflection. Probably I think I will be change little camera different position and will be not that problem at all. If I try do this, let's see. We check how it looks now. The photo looks that before I use the corner, and it's like reflection. Here is not a reflection, but here is a reflection. Now we use this corner and see how everything looks from this perspective. Can manage this or not? We still have reflection, but the reflection is not so big. It's little reflection. It's not so strong like was photo before. I think this corner work here, but give me little reflection. I think if I will be put different position, maybe take that, it will be not this reflection. But don't forget, this is like straight away, always will be here reflection. We can editing this in Lightroom later or Photoshop and remove this reflection. But this the product is really hard. But here you don't have nothing reflection. It's perfect without reflection. Now I take some different products to photography. This is my last product for photography today, and I have the honey. We'll see how looks everything. When I photography, like you see, the label is not good here, and top is like reflection, but I go with camera straight away down. I want to do straight away photo position. Don't want to do like I done 45 little degrees. I prefer straight with product on my background, maybe little up. Perfect. And I show you now what I see in my camera. In my camera, I see like the label is dark. Here is something dark, and here is little dark. And I will be must do editing this product when I will be want shoot this product. But we take the corner and check how work with the corner. You can set up this. Dobra. I think it's perfect. Of course, you will be see little my hand there, but oh my god, it's amazing. It's amazing. Uh, this is a different color label, the lights, than this label. Like you see, doesn't matter what I do here, is different. And I don't have reflection. You see my hand little coming because only like set up different the corner. And this not have reflection, this don't is perfect. Only this label little I will be work on this. After photography few things, use this light cone, I can say it was good choice to buy. Probably I need more time to work with this light cone, manage better and take more nice photo, shining product. But this was things what I am happy I bought and can use in my photography. If you photography shining product and you have problem with the lights and reflection, really I recommend buy this light cone. If you're looking for more ideas how to photography or you want to see more video, I left the link below about the company and there is more video how to use this cone and photography shining product in easy way. You don't must use professional lights. You can use normal lights, what you have desk lights or something like that. I saw that video there and looks really, really good. And if you have any question about this product, leave in the comment and see you next video.